Welcome to this lesson on setting up your online business. Starting an online business may sound complicated at first. However, when the process is broken into clear steps, it becomes much easier to understand. Today, many entrepreneurs are building successful businesses entirely on the internet. But behind every successful online business is a structured setup process. In this lesson, we will explore the essential steps required to establish a strong online business presence. Let us begin with the first step in building an online business. The first step is identifying a clear business idea and defining your target audience. Successful online businesses usually focus on solving a specific problem or fulfilling a particular need. Understanding your audience helps you design products or services that people actually want. Once the business idea is clear, the next step is building your online presence. This usually begins with creating a professional digital platform where customers can find your products or services. For many businesses, this platform is a website or an online store. A well-designed website helps establish credibility and provides important information to potential customers. However, a website is not the only way to build an online presence. Many businesses also operate through online marketplaces or social media platforms. Choosing the right platform depends on the type of business model you plan to use. For example, e-commerce businesses often use online store platforms that allow them to display and sell products easily. Digital creators may prefer platforms that support online courses, downloadable products, or subscription services. Freelancers and service providers often use platforms where clients actively search for professional skills. Each platform offers different features, audiences, and levels of flexibility. Evaluating these options carefully helps entrepreneurs choose the platform that best supports their business goals. After selecting the right platform, the next step is creating high-quality content for your online presence. This includes product descriptions, images, videos, or service details that clearly explain what you offer. Clear and engaging content helps customers understand the value of your products or services. It also improves your chances of attracting visitors and converting them into paying customers. Another important step is setting up secure payment methods. Customers must feel confident that their payments are safe and easy to complete. Most online platforms provide built-in payment systems that support multiple payment options. Once the basic structure of the business is ready, it becomes important to use the right tools and resources. Digital tools help businesses automate tasks, manage customers, and improve marketing efforts. For example, website builders make it easier to design professional websites without advanced technical skills. Email marketing tools help businesses communicate with customers and promote new products. Analytics tools allow entrepreneurs to track visitor behavior. Social media management tools also help businesses maintain consistent online communication. Using the right combination of tools can significantly improve efficiency and productivity. However, tools alone do not guarantee success. Entrepreneurs must also focus on building trust and delivering value to customers. Consistency, quality service, and clear communication are essential for long-term growth. Over time, businesses can expand their online presence through marketing strategies and customer engagement. In summary, setting up an online business requires several essential steps. Entrepreneurs must define a clear business idea and identify their target audience. They must choose the platform that best supports their business model. They must also create strong digital content and implement secure payment systems. Finally, using the right tools and resources can help businesses operate efficiently and grow over time. By following these foundational steps, anyone can begin creating a strong and sustainable online business presence. In the next lessons, we will continue exploring content creation and monetization. Stay connected with us. Thank you.